Ever noticed how tiny, impulsive decisions can ruin massive goals? Skipping workouts, spending on stuff you don't need, binging instead of studying, all seem harmless until they pile up. Most people lose their dreams not in one big moment, but in hundreds of careless choices. It's not because they aren't smart or capable. It's a lack of self-control, eating away at progress. One snack, one distraction, one excuse at a time. If you're tired of watching your goals slip away, it's time for a reality check. Here's how you turn things around. First, don't try to fix everything at once. Pick one thing, just one habit to upgrade. Want to save money? Leave your card at home for a week. Want to study more? Put your phone on airplane mode during study time. Want to get fit? Commit to just 10 minutes of exercise every morning, no matter how busy you are. Make it easy. Self-control isn't about fighting temptation all day. It's about setting up smart routines that make bad choices harder and good ones easier. As you stick to one habit, you'll notice a ripple effect. Discipline grows, confidence shoots up, and the rest of your life starts leveling up. The more you practice self-control in small things, the stronger you get when bigger tests come. No more regret, no more missed chances. You become the person who creates, not just dreams. Upgrade your life by mastering one simple habit at a time, and watch your goals start falling into place.